Canva with RFM. Welcome back to another video. This is Canva with RFM, and in this video we will learn how to make a design from scratch. So first, choose your size. We're going to be making a card size. Then you can look at some of the templates to get some inspiration, and when you think you're ready, you can start designing. Now, I wouldn't start immediately adding pictures, but I would first start simply adding the information that you want. So we'll add text, and I have this nice quote, which I'm just going to press Ctrl+V because I already have it copied. And then I'm going to put it in the center or whatever, it doesn't really matter. And then if that's all of the information that I want, I can start designing. If I want more information, then I can add more information. Okay, but that's all the information that I want. So we can start straight away actually designing. So I think I want this in the center. And I think I want an image in the background. Or maybe on the side, we'll see. So we could do something like smile, if we don't find too weird pictures. We could have something like nature. We could have something like this, or I think something like this would even be better, but this has a pro feature. So then you're just gonna put it on the side, or you're gonna put it as the background. So I want this to take half of the design. There we go. I want it to be quite big because this is my main thing. So now I also want a text, of course. So we could try something like this. That's nice, but I don't think it's exactly what I want. No. This one's quite nice. I like this one. Okay. Now I want the background a different color, so just go to background, choose a color. I like something like that. Okay, and then you can start adding your elements as well. So we could have something like okay. Could have this up here. Okay, there we go. Now you can change your colors, of course. Background, I can also choose one of these colors. Should make it way better. And you could have something like this if you want. If you're also just not getting the feel for the design, you can again go back to templates, look at what they've created. So we could add a new page, look at this, delete this page again, and then keep designing. So we could duplicate this, and then could flip it, and we could have this small. Okay. Now we could shift, select all of them, position, tidy up, and then you could have something like this if you want. If you just also don't like that, you could maybe add a line. So you could have something like this. You could turn it. So really the main key is to first add the information, because the information is what's important. It's what the reader is supposed to know. So if the information is not clearly on there and it's just the design, it's not a great design because it's not actually telling your reader what you want. Now, if the whole point of you designing is just to make it look nice, so if you are making a advertisement for a car, for example, then it'd be fine to add the picture first and then add this small information. But if the information is text, then add that first. So really the information could even be an element. It could be a picture, it could be a text, it could be a video. So really first add the main bit, and then you can play around and see what you can create. Also, always make sure you line things up, so you can press Shift and see if all of these are like lined up. So we could press Tidy Up. No, that just ruined it. So we could go back and back. So a great way to do it is like this. Press Shift, just these things, then position. We could do Tidy Up. Now what that's done is it's put it in the center of these two. Now you do have to do the same thing with this, like that, and this, like that. Okay, always before you show the world or you show your school or whatever your design, I would always recommend to ask someone first how they find the design, because after you start working on a design for quite a long while, you don't notice that there's something not aligned or there's something just wrong. So that's why I always ask other people. Another thing is, don't design in one thing for too long. Now you can design for a presentation for whatever 3 hours if you want, but then take breaks so that you are not just constantly working and working and working, because suddenly your creativity is gonna not go as good anymore. So I hope you learn a bit how to start from scratch. So always straight away add the information and then start playing around. In the next video I'll show you what exactly playing around means and tips to design better, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Want to receive a newsletter every week containing free customizable templates? Then head over to my website, which you can find in the description down below. To check out other intermediate videos, press on the top left, and to review Canva features videos, press on the top right. See you next time. Bye!